Y'all, what up, fam? It is September the 16th, Fresh Tuesday. We did not get that lockout today, so we actually got our nice little trade. So, first things first is I want to just look at overall price action for overnight so you could see what I was looking at. So, if you zoom out on your 1 minute basis, okay, look at previous day settlement price. So, Monday, look for Monday at 410 type shit right over here. See, so like it's not loading. Guess trading view doesn't want it, but you can see the opening price is practically down over here. You go to a higher time frame and actually get it. But this was our end of day yesterday, right? Run up, okay? That's bullish. Bullish overnight, okay? So what happened at 450? 450, 510, topped, higher time frame, draw on liquidity lower. So if you're on your hourly basis, no, my bad. The 15-minute basis, electronic trading hours. I don't know what's going on with my chart. There was an overnight gap up. What the fuck? Damn, I did not notice this one right here. I don't. I'm actually really tweaked out right now. I swear to God, this gap was not there on Project X. But nonetheless, this is your target then. I swear to God, on Project X, this is like bullish, like just bullish price action overall. But whatever. So we'll just get to my trade. So overnight, after looking, you could see there was the major run up, right? Boom, run up overnight that we literally were just looking at. So in my mind, I know there's liquidity lower, and I see how the AM session was presenting itself in accumulation 7 to 8, 8 to 9. And then 925. 925 is normally like the time that I do end up entering if I'm like gonna predict the New York Open, because that's what we just did. We speculated before the Open. But nonetheless, so there was this. So here we had buy side, right? Buy side, sell side, see, like blah blah blah. So major accumulation in my mind. I'm looking here and I see we literally made that wick. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, I've been realizing the market's been doing this a lot recently. So relative equal highs, see? And then look what happens. Immediately, this inversion fair value gap. So let me take this off so you can see. So here is an original fair value gap. So this is a fair value gap going bullish, right? See, so like it's originally bullish with a volume inversion here in between the bodies. But market makes that relative equal high. And if you could see, this is a lower high right here. At 924, that is a lower high. Okay. And then imbalance, price candle, 925, leaving an imbalance behind. Left a fair value gap, right? And in the wake of it making that fair value gap, see how the market traded lower and then traded back to this original fair value gap that I was outlining. See it? See how it traded back to the 50%, continuation lower. Yeah. So it inversed. That's what an inversion fair value gap is. So it's an original fair value gap, the imbalance, buy side or sell side imbalance, right? It trades away, disrespecting it. So this was supposed to continue higher, right? If you're looking at it in terms of a fair value gap, if it's bullish, it should continue higher. Here, it imbalances lower into the recent pool of liquidity. See? So we're primed. Both sides are primed in my mind due to the major accumulation we've had. So I'm looking and I see, again, this inversion trades through it, disrespecting it as a bullish fair value gap, trades back to it, and then leaves it completely. And in the wake of it, it left another imbalance. Per ICT, that's Venom. And then your short would be wherever the fuck your fucking target is. Everybody's target's different because it comes to personal preference. It truly does. Like, if I mean, like, I'm Project X, like top prop firms, you can't hold. You cannot swing trade, right? Like, I can't hold like that. But if you were here 1 minute, I don't know, fucking, where's Monday? No, not ES. NQ, bruh. Where's the 14th, 15th? New day open gap. Right there. This could even be a target for you if you're like on a personal. But we have Fed talk tomorrow. So I would be minimal on that type of target. I mean, it could draw, but I don't know. With the amount of news we have, the trade that I took today is the type of trade I'm normally trying to take. But what the fuck happened to my trade outline? Where the fuck did this shit go? There it is. So that was the trade today. Yeah, fam. Go ahead, drop a question in the comments if you got any questions I could help sort out. Fuck, did you take the same trade by chance? Drop that in the comments. So yeah, y'all enjoy the day. Stay safe, stay focused, stay patient, stay disciplined, and above all else, fam, enjoy the journey because there's nothing like the journey, bro. For real.